To set up eSIM on Xiaomi 17T Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter mobile networks right here, and then you'll be able to activate eSIM, but keep in mind that eSIM slot will replace the second SIM slot. So you'll be able to only use a first SIM slot for your physical SIM card and second for eSIM. When you have that eSIM active, go to manage SIM card settings, and here click on add eSIM option. After that, you'll be able to either set up a brand new eSIM or transfer eSIM from your other device. The second option is only available in few regions, so if you cannot see it, sadly you won't be able to do so. Now when you're ready, click on one of those buttons and follow instructions on screen. For a brand new setup, all you have to do is scan the QR code from the carrier of your eSIM. You can also enter activation code if you have it, and you can also scan the QR code from the photo that is already taken on your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.